Welcome to Keep the Fees. In this video, Sara will guide you through the different ways to book and schedule appointments using our software. From customizable booking links to manual scheduling, we've got everything you need to streamline your appointment process. Let's dive in. Thanks for watching.
How to book or schedule an appointment and the different features and functions that we have. First off, on the calendar here, we have many different views. This is the month view, this is the week view, and then this is the day view. Through the week view, you can group these by artist. If you'd like to see what your entire team has going on for the week, you can select this and adjust the group size as appropriate. On the bottom left here, you'll find the color guide. Within this, it will show you who's got what going on by color for the week. Now, as far as booking appointments goes, we have many different ways that we can do so. The first way is we have this appointment link. This booking link you are able to add to your social media or to your website via iframe. And from there, you can allow your guests to request appointments with this specific artist. Everything on this form will be branded specifically for your business, and it gives your guests the ability to go on, fill this out, request the artist, as well as the service they would like to receive. We also have what I refer to as service links, where let's say you're chatting with a customer on Instagram or Facebook, and we know exactly what service they need to be booked for. You'll have the ability right here to select from the different services that are offered and now send a service link to this customer. Same exact form as before, but this one is going to have artist as well as the service hard-coded in so that can't be changed. We also have the ability to manually book an appointment by typing in the below information. Client name, phone number, email, service, date, time, artist, hour, duration is going to get adjusted by the service once you do select that. And here is for any notes. The fourth and final way we have to book appointments is to use a request form. These forms are fully customizable based off of any questions you'd like to know in advance before you speak to a customer about getting them booked for an appointment. These all come into the centralized main section on the main shop account, and you can go through there and select which of your artists you'd like to take on the project that's been requested below. These also live within the client profile, so you can go back in and reference any of these notes prior to that guest service. Here we are with just some examples. You can also have it upload any reference images or placement on the specific body.
If you're ready to streamline your appointment bookings, visit our website in the description to sign up or book a demo today. Let's make your shop management easier.